making hot chili oil, like a Chinese chili oil today, because I'm out of it and the store's over an hour away to get to. Had plenty of peppers here from last year's harvest or even the year before that's harvest. Just crush those up in the food processor there. You might want to wear a mask when you're doing that. I'm just using canola oil. Any vegetable oil would work. Peanut oil is probably the best, but I got canola oil. Going to start off with 5 star anise, about a tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 bay leaves, and 2 tablespoons of peppercorns. And you're just going to bring those up, bring the oil up to temperature about 220 degrees. And then put this mixture in there, which is your spice mixture, and keep it there for about at least a half hour to infuse. And then you're gonna take that mixture once it's maintained at that temperature and pour it over the peppers in a safe pot. And it'll cook. I think it's 225 degrees is perfect, somewhere in there. They'll actually cook into the peppers when they pour it on there. You don't actually put the peppers in the pot with the oil, because you need to strain off all your aromatics here through a sifter, strainer. There. This is a test batch. This is a small test batch. I'm only doing a cup and a half of oil. So I think 3/4 cups of peppers. And then we'll make this small batch and test it and see how it tastes. And if it needs to be done any different, we'll add or subtract whatever we need to as far as ingredients go. Okay, it's going pretty good there. We'll let it sizzle a little bit. Turn it down some again. So I'm probably on low heat right now. About 230 on the scale there. Around there, 225, 228, 230. Now you can play with that if you want to. Depending if you want it hotter, do a 250. It's going to give you a little bit darker oil on the flakes there when you pour it over. And we're just going to pour it over these. That's 3/4 cups right there of pepper flakes. At this point, if you wanted to add sesame seeds or anything like that, you can add those in there. I'm not adding any right now. We're going to try this first and see how it turns out, and then we'll modify it from there. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes now. It crept up to just under 250, so we should be good right there. We're going to go ahead and pour this over the peppers. Switch out thermometers there. Other one was, I don't think, was reading correctly. Just going to pour this over using this strainer to catch all the other stuff. It's pretty thin. I think more flakes would be better. So next time we'll try this, and next time we'll put more flakes in. If you like my content, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Appreciate it. Take care.